Hello everyone. Today we are going to familiarize a new tool called Zenmap. We already discussed about Nmap tool. Zenmap is a graphical version of Nmap. By default, Zenmap may not have installed in your Linux machine. We can install Zenmap from terminal itself. Make sure your Linux machine is having internet connection. Just follow the same step I am doing here. Zenmap will get automatically installed. Now let's start with the Zenmap. Zenmap is asking for a target. We can provide an IP address or a domain name here. What all target we provide here, we can see it will get updated in the comment. And the Nmap switches are coming automatically here. From the profile we can select which type of scan we are targeting. We can even modify the switches according to our need. I am going to perform ping scan over my network. The interesting part of Zenmap is, you can see it is providing a graphical output. It is showing all devices connected in our network. You can try all possible Nmap switches here. Only difference is it will show a graphical output. You can try all the Nmap commands we have learned.